Today we are going to see about measurement. Already we have studied about length. Today we are going to see about parallax. Parallax is a displacement or difference in the apparent position of an object viewed along two different lines of sight. Correct position of the eye is also important for taking measurement. Your eye must be vertically above the point where the measurement has to be taken. In the above representation, to avoid parallax error, reading from B will be correct. From position A and C, the reading will be different and error. Method of measuring length of a curved line. Draw a curved line AB on a piece of paper. Place a string along the curved line. Make sure that the string covers every bit of the curved line. Mark the points where the curved line begins and ends on the string. Now, stretch the string along the length of a meter scale and measure the distance between two markings of the string. This will give you the length of the curved line. Mass. Mass is the measurement of the amount of matter in an object. Hold a sheet of paper in one hand and a book in another. Which hand feels the heaviness? The mass of the book is more than that of a single sheet of paper. Therefore, the pull on the book is more than that of the paper. Hence, our hand has to give more force to hold a book than a paper force. What we experience is called as heaviness. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. It is represented by kg. Bigger weights are measured in ton or metric ton. 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram and 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 ton. Beam balance. We use beam balance to measure mass. A beam balance works by comparing the mass of an object to that of unknown mass. Electronic balance. An electronic balance is a device used to find accurate measurement of weight. It is used very commonly in laboratories for weighing chemicals. Electronic balance may also be used to weigh food and other grocery items as well as jewel. Time. Day changes into night and night into day. Seasons also changes. How do we measure the passage of time? Clocks are used to measure time. In earlier days, people used sand clock and sundial to measure the passage of time. During the day, the shadow cast by a stick can be used to estimate time. One can also use a vessel with a small hole for computing time. Take a vessel or a bottle with a small hole in it and fill it with water. The time taken for water to drain can also be used as a measuring device. These are rough methods for counting passage of time. We can use electronic clock, stopwatch and other instruments to count even smaller duration of time. An odometer is a device used for indicating distance traveled by an automobile. The metric system or standard set of unit was created by the French in 1790. A ruler or a scale used nowadays to measure length was invented by a William Bedwell in 16th century.